Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna start up our 85 Blazer here. See fuel tank between half and 3/4. Fan works. Here's the stereo system. Also got a aftermarket oil pressure gauge. Got a pretty good stereo system in it. Blinker works. Horn does not work. And as of right now, the wipers do not work. So I think we just got it in, so we got to do the wipers. Let's see if that window goes down. Work. Show you the lights. Dome light does not work. Sounds really good. Edelbrock intake on it, headers. New style belt drive on it. Looks like new water pump, power brakes, power steering. Wiper motor, so it must be in the wiper split. Headers. There's your custom headlights. And your custom tail lights. Got pretty good sounding dual exhaust on it. So kind of a neat truck. I think it was originally probably a black truck before they sprayed it. So 605, yeah, there's part of the stereo system underneath the seat with the amp and everything. 605-695-7391.